Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel HF Education Hub, YouTube educational channel. Today's topic is Math Standard 7, Chapter number 3, SCF in LCM, Practice Set number 14, Maharashtra Board, Full Lecture, Question and Answer 2021. This topic is a continuous topic. In Practice Set 11, 12 and 13, we have learned LCM and SCM, how to find out LCM and SCF with the horizontal and vertical arrangement. In last standard, we have already learned how to find out the LCM and SCF with the horizontal method. In this chapter, in this standard, we have learned vertical method to find out LCM and SCF. Now, in practice set and last set of this chapter of SCF and LCM, practice set number 14 is for use of LCM and SCF. Before going to the lecture of this practice set, please, I want to request all of you, my friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos, and please share in your friends and relatives and in your groups for other gets benefits from this video. Thank you for a continuous watching of this videos, this channel. Thank you friends. Let's continue. Let's go on the topic use of LCM and SCF. There is a word problem there, which is about a shop sells jar bottle. Okay, 450 gram for 96 rupees and 60 gram 600 gram for 120 rupees, 124 rupees. Okay, which is profitable to buy? Okay, in regular method we divides 150 with the 96 and 600 with 124, and find out the 1 gram price of each bottles, and then compare that price and find out the which is profitable. But today we are going to see how LCM and SCF helps in this type of equations. Let's find out that SCF of 450 and 600 is 150. How? 450 is equal to 150 into 3, and 600 is equal to 150 into 4. Now 96 divided by 3 and 25 divided by 4, answer is 32 and 31. Okay, for 150 gram jam price is 32 and 31. In 60 gram, if you save 1 rupees per 150 gram in 60 gram bottle, then for 60 gram it is 4 rupees each. 4 rupees for 600 grams, 600 gram. Okay, so we are going to save 4 rupees per each 40 gram jam bottle for 600 gram jam bottle. So it is more profitable than 450 gram bottle. Okay, now second number question is for add 17 upon 28 plus 11 upon 35. In regular method, we are going to cross multiplication, like 17 into 35 and plus 11 into 28 and about 28 into 35. Okay, answer is addition plus multiplication, then addition, and then again division. 903 upon 980, 129 and 140. Answer is, this is so used process. Now with the help of LCM of 28 and 35, 28 and 35. Okay, 28 and 35, 7 4 7 5. LCM is then 2 into 4, 7, sorry, 7 into 4 into 5 is 140. Okay, 140. Now 140 is the answer. We 70 upon 28 plus 11 upon 35 is equal to 17 into 5 and 28 into 5 plus 11 into 4 and 35 into 4. We will get as usual 140 here, and 17 5 are 85 plus 44 is answer 129 upon 140. It's so simple. Okay. Now third question is about a number. There is a number, the number divided by 8, 12, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and remainder always is 3. To find out the number, find out the number, okay, find the number. Use of LCM of 8, 10, 12 and 14. 8, 12, 10, 12 and 14. 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 7s. Okay. LCM 2 2s are 5 is remain same, 2 3s are, and 7 is remain same. Now there is 2 3 time, 3 1 time, 5 1 time and 7 1 time. Answer is 840. Okay. Formula, learn the formula, remember the formula. The number equal to LCM plus remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, formula is, so the number is equal to LCM 140 equal to 3, 143 is the number. Okay. Now we are going to next question. There is a question 16. Find out the LCM. LCM of 16, 20 and 18. Okay. 16, 20 and 80. Okay. 2 8s are 2 10, 40, 2 4, 5, 20, 2 2, 5 remains 5, 2 10. Okay. Then 2 2 ones are 2, 5 remains 5, 2 5s are. Okay. Then 5 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. There is 3 time LCM is 3 time 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, sorry, 1 2 3 4, 4 times into 2 into 5. So answer is 80. 2 into 4 4 into 8, 8 into 16, 16 5 is 18. Coincidence is there, 18 is the one of the given number. So how it's possible? Remember that when bigger number is multiple of any number given between the given number, then the bigger number is the always LCM. Okay, bigger number is the always LCM. Okay, remember it. Now we are going to next topic. There are three friends, Suresh, Shalaka and Snail start running from the same point of a circular track at the same time and complete one lap of the track in 16 minute, 24 minute and 18 minute respectively. And what is the shortest period of time in which they all reach the starting point? Okay, with the help of LCM we could find out it. Okay, first is 16, 24 and 18. LCM is then 16, 20, 18 and 24. Okay, all three are even numbers, so 2 start from 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are. Okay, then 2 4s are, 9 is remain same, 2 6, okay. Then 2 2 2 za 9 is remain same, 3 za, okay. Then 2 1 za 2, 9 is remain, and 3 is remain same, okay. Then 3 get 3 1 is remain, 3 3 za and 3 1 za. Then answer is LCM is 1 2 3 4, 4 time 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 2 time. Answer is 144, 144, 144. Means 2 hour and 2 hour and 25 minute, 24 minute, okay. 2 hours 24 minute, they will come together in 2 hour and 24 minute, okay. Now we are going to solve the 14 as practice set. There are 9 questions in practice set. First 3 are number questions, and other 4 to 9 are word questions, okay. Now we are going to solve. First question is choose correct. Choose correct. Roman 1 is SCF of 1, SCF of 120 and 150. So simple. 3 4 za 3 5 za, so 30. There are option 30 and 45. Second 20 and fourth is 120, okay. Now find out 120 150, 330, 34 za 35 za. Okay, now can't be divisible by any number, so 30 is answer. 30 4 za 35 za, 34 za 120, 35 za 150, okay. This is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer, okay. 30 is the answer. Second number, the SCF not equal to, pair of SCF not equal to 1, okay. There are option 1 number is 13 and 17, both are prime numbers, so SCF always no prime factors, so SCF is 1, though this is not, this is wrong. Second is 29 and 30, this also have no prime factors, so this have SCF is 1. Third is 40 20, these two numbers have two more than 2 prime factors, okay, more than 2 prime factors, so this is the answer. Third number, third option 40 20, and fourth number is 40 50, 14 50, 14 50, 15, 14 15 is also not having more than 2 prime numbers, so this is not a answer. Answer is third number 14 20, okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2, which how to find out the SCF and LCM. Find out question number 2, find SCF and LCM. There have 5 questions in this question, sub questions, 5 sub questions. One is 14 and 28, 14 to the 28, so SCF is 14 and LCM is 28. Always remember, when bigger number is the multiple of smaller number, then bigger number is LCM and smaller number is SCF, okay. 2 number 32 60, 32 16, this is also SCF is 16 and LCM is 32, okay, because 13 to the 32, 16 to the 32, okay. Then third number is 40 20, sorry, third number is 17 102 and 170, okay. Find out 70 102 170, okay. These all numbers come in 17 table number 17. 17 ones are 17 6 are and 17 10s, okay. So SCF, now these 3 can't be divisible by one number, so SCF is SCF is 17, which is SCF 17, okay. Now find out the LCM. For this, divide more, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are. Now LCM is 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, LCM is 5 10 5 10 17 5 3s are 5 3s are 15 15 to the 13 13 into the 17 is 510. Okay, LCM is 510. Okay, 510 is the LCM. So question number 4, 510 is LCM and 17 is SCF. Okay. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4, 2363, 2369, 2369, 2369, 2369. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69. Okay, SCF is 23 and LCM is 23 into 3 means 63, 69. 23 is SCF and LCM 69. Okay, both are like question number 1 and 2. Question number 5 and last question of this question, 21 49 40, 21 49 84. Okay, 29 49 84, 21 49 84. Okay, 7 7 threes are 7 sevens are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are. Okay, 7 is the SCF. SCF is 7. SCF is 7. Now LCM 3, 3 ones are 3, 7 remains 7, 3 fours are. Okay. Now LCM is 7 into 7 into 3 into 4 is equal to 49 into 12 is equal to 49 into 12, 49 sorry, 49 into 12 is equal to LCM 588. Okay, this is the last question. Now question number question number 3, 17 102 170, 17 it is a multiple of 17. So 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 17 six are 102, 17 tens are 170. Okay, so answer is 17. SCF is 17. Now for LCM divide more, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are. So LCM is 17 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So answer LCM is 510. Okay. Now question number 4, 23 69. As like question number 1 and 2, 63 3s are 69. So SCF is 23, 3s are 69. SCF is 23 and LCM is 69. 69. Okay. In fifth question, 21 49 84. Say all three are divisible by 7. 7 threes are 21, 7 sevens are 49, and 7 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 3 7 12 is 7 is the SCF because the right now there is no common factor of 3 7 and 12. So 7 is common factor, so SCF is 7. Now for LCM divide more, 3 ones are 3, 7 is remain 7, 3 fours are 12. So 7 into 7 into 3 into 4 is 588. Okay, this is last of this question. Now question number 3.